Ojeri na ritana ria kanitha. Kanjũ ya atongoria makanitha nĩ ĩtũgĩrĩtie President William Ruto na mũtongoria wa Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga nĩ gwĩtĩkĩra kwaranĩria nĩguo bũrũri ũgĩe na thayũ. Makĩaria marĩ nyũmba-inĩ ya ũfungamano gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi. Atongoria moretie atongoria arĩa megũthurwo kuma mĩahũ ĩno yerĩ maige mabata ma Akenya mbere magĩthiĩ na mbere na mĩario ya thayũ.
Every election since 1992, we have a loser who generally does not have a place or a big role to play in the society. And therefore there is a question of what do we do going forward, because we have seen that every election there is a pact or an agreement between the winner and the loser. We either call it a handshake or cooperation or any other. So we are asking for dialogue among Kenyans to actually ask ourselves, how can we resolve that issue so that going forward we'll be doing elections and we go back to our business and the politicians go and deal with the political question. We know that the previous bipartisan talks that were in Parliament failed, and we called for inclusion of people outside Parliament, which now have been included. We have at least 4 members of the 10-man committee that are outside Parliament, and that is a first step. So we believe, and that is why we are here, to put pressure and to ask our political leaders, this is their time to sit down and to settle on the political issues, so that then we can be able to deal with the other deep-seated and long-standing issues. We are calling on both parties to be serious, Kenya Kwanza and Azimio. We also are asking the politicians to stop issuing threatening messages or messages that try to delegitimize each other, either on the opposition or the Kenya Kwanza side, so that then there is a spirit of goodwill during the period of the talks. Kenyans don't expect that these talks are going to fail, and therefore they have to succeed, so that those who are hurting, those who lost their children during the demonstration, those whose property were destroyed, then they have a peaceful way of carrying out